In this episode, we're going to look at creating our own homebrewed tags for a Rails application. And so, we can edit one of these records, and you'll see that we have an input box that has a bunch of tags. We can delete the tags, and using a dropdown, we can then select which additional tags we want, or we can just type in something, either hit a comma or a tab, and it'll create that tag. We can then update the movie, and now the new tag is there. And as we are working with tags, being able to filter on them is also important. So if we wanted to then search for something, we can click on that, and then we're taken back to the index, and now we see only the movies that have the tag of something. If we go back to our main index, we see all of the different movies and tags as well. And the custom approach that we're going to be doing with this is going to be highly reusable with other areas. So we can go to products, which is a different scaffold, and we can create a new product. We can give it a title, and now if we hit the drop downs, nothing shows up because these tags are scoped to that product. So we don't see any of the movie tags showing up here. So we can give it some different tags, and then we can create the product. And when we come back and edit them, or if we go to create a new product, we then have just the tags that are for that product. We don't have any of the tags that were created on the movies. And again, in this episode, we're going to be looking at this from a custom approach. We are going to be using a JavaScript library that handles the tagging, but then we're going to be handling the rest of it within our own application with some custom code. And did you know that you can go to railsstore.com to get your own Ruby on Rails t-shirt or your Drift in Ruby t-shirt? To watch this full episode and more videos, visit driftinruby.com and subscribe to the Pro membership.